If you're like me, you are crippled with insomnia and you cannot sleep at night. Oh, it's such a headache. I've tried a lot of things like different types of pillows or different type of headbands, and yeah, they worked for a little bit, but I couldn't find something that really works until recently. Yeah, I found this sleep-related tech device, and it's really practical, is reliable, and is beneficial, and it actually works. It's called HEALINGFIT, which is a bone conduction earphone which combines TES, test technology, and sound therapy, and it's said to offer revitalization to your life, and it actually has to mine. So what exactly is TES technology and what is sound therapy? Well, in a nutshell, TES technology helps activate the endorphins in the brain with microelectric stimulation. You're shocking your brain. And sound therapy activates the brain with the music wave energy of something called quantum medicine. Now, if you're not quite familiar with quantum medicine, check it out. It's really cool. And you might be wondering, are there any side effects? Are there any long-term side effects? Or is this gonna mess up your brain if you have electrodes stuck to your head? You don't have to worry about that at all, because according to brain stimulation related research, microelectric stimulation under 2 milliamperes has no side effects. And guess what? HEALINGFIT has a microcurrent that flows only between 0.2 and 1 milliamperes. So you can use it in a safe range no matter how long you use it. I slept with this thing on. Anyways, let's open the box. Let me show you what's inside. Brain Healing 365 HEALINGFIT. Okay, so this is the TES technology sound therapy bone conduction, which is so cool. I hate the big headphones because they get too heavy after a while, but this is great. The only downside to this is that other people might be able to hear what you're listening to, so it's not really great for being in public, but if you're at your house just trying to get the therapy, this is perfect. And you can listen to this all day long without having your ears just starting to ache because of the earbuds inside or the headphones on your head. Anyways, this is pretty cool. Let me show you what's inside. Open the box, and we have, look at this model. What a great picture. I feel like I could have done that. Fold this up. We have a charger in here, C-type. We have a little bit of therapy tips and what is HEALINGFIT? 3 modes of healing: sleep mode, study mode, and healing mode. And we have the instructions, how to use, and this, look at this case. That is fancy. Unzip this thing, and here you go. Wow. Will you marry me? I'm already married anyways. All right, so just take this, slip this on your head like so. There's a button right here. Press and hold to turn it on. And it is, I'm kidding. It doesn't even hurt. It's not gonna, I'm kidding. Let me turn it to, let's see what mode it's on. Study therapy. So I hear the music. Do you hear that music? I did this the other day and I almost cleaned my entire house because I was so focused on doing something, but I had nothing that I had to do. So I just focused my energy and efforts on cleaning my house. So this is on there are 10 different settings. And this is on step 7. That's my sweet range. I like 7 or 8. If I press and hold the top button, it goes to step 8. I still don't feel it, but it's still working. Step 9. And step 10. I still have no pain. I don't even feel much of anything, just a little bit. So I know it's working, but I don't feel any sharp pains or anything like that. When I first started doing this, I did have a little bit of pain. All I had to do is bring it down a notch, bring it down a step. And I find my sweet range of 7 to 8. But even now at 10, I don't feel anything that would cause me any type of discomfort. I can turn the music down just by tapping this button on the left side, to the left panel. So now the volume is basically all the way down. It's still working. It's just that I don't have the music therapy now. So other people, I can still have a conversation with other people and I won't be bothered by the music and they won't be bothered by the music either. But when the conversation is over, go ahead and turn that back up. Trying to be like this guy. So if you're having trouble sleeping at night, because of the sleep therapy mode, this would be great for you. If you don't get enough sleep at night, you might have sleep deprivation, which during the daytime would cause sleepiness or impairment or reduced concentration, slower thinking, and mood changes, which describes my son on a bad day. If you use the sleep mode therapy, it'll help you sleep better at night, which will create a wonderful day for you the next day. Because sleep deprivation effects can cause some serious problems. I'm sure some of you drive, and if you drive while drowsy driving can be just as dangerous as drunk driving. A lot of accidents happen when you're tired and you're behind the wheel. This device can help you sleep better, you'll get more rest, you won't crash when you're driving. I think you need this. Apart from the amazing sleeping aid function, HEALINGFIT can also improve your memory and concentration. That's what I need so bad. According to the results from the TES Brain Research Institute of Russia, study mode can improve concentration levels when you're working on studying. The actual results from the research said you could have a 25% improvement in short-term memory skills in just one use. Lastly, you should have 41% improvement in short-term language memory, 43% improvement in work efficiency, and 19% decrease in fatigue after using HEALINGFIT for over 10 days. And I memorized all of that. This is definitely something you should take note of if you're a parent or if you need to help your child boost their concentration levels. And my son really needs this. I'm gonna buy another one. And also, let's just say you need some healing, some personal stress relief. That's where the healing mode comes in. We all have stressors in life. They are unavoidable. So this can actually be used for anyone. So here's how it works. You know that our brain is both sensitive to physical and mental reactions of the body, right? HEALINGFIT activates the structure of endorphins in the brain with microelectric stimulation. And when endorphins are activated, it derives positive effects to the brain. This reaction triggers positive effects such as antidepressant effect and anti-stress effect to your body. That's why this is so good for everybody.
All right, so I've been using this for about a little bit over a month now, and I've been using it almost every single day. For the sleep mode, helps me sleep a lot better at night. The healing mode relaxes me and calms my stress nerves. And then the focus mode, the study mode, I like to call it, that helps me every morning when I wake up early and study my books that I have to study. And I've been waking up so early, but because of the sleep mode, I've been sleeping better, so I'm not as tired as I would have been. So far it's pretty good. And I'm using the brainwave reader to measure and keep track of my brainwave measurements and my activity. So I'm going to show you what it is now. So comparing the results of this time compared with last time, you can see that there are a lot more red bars in that graph from last time. A lot more green and yellow for this time. I have relaxed a lot more, calmed down a lot more. My stress levels are lower, my tiredness is lower. Everything seems to be a lot better this time around. And I do feel a lot better. After doing this for so long, more balanced, I'm thinking more logically, and I'm focusing better, sleeping better, of course, less stress. I guess there's a lot of different compounding factors that I could attribute it to, but definitely the first thing that comes to mind is what's on my mind. So it's pretty cool. I like this.
So the HEALINGFIT has very nice, relaxing, soothing music like you just heard, but it also has 8 gigabytes of built-in memory. So you can add your own music, your own playlist, your own whatever you want to listen to. So you can find your own playlist and receive the therapy from within. Okay, so Brain Healing 365 HEALINGFIT, I give it a level 10 out of level 10. Just kidding, it doesn't hurt. I'll stop with that stupid joke. But anyways, this seriously would be really great for anybody who wants to feel better with their stress, or who wants to learn how to study or focus and concentrate more, or who wants to sleep better at night. This will be great for my son too. It's almost his birthday, so I gotta order a new one for him. One for Kason. I'll see you guys next time.